scotch bonnet pepper kicking at this. The biscuit are going. Yeah, man. Things like that. Wagwan YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to whip up some okay then. So today we are going to whip up some Jamaican style steamed fish and crackers with a big boy right here. So we have some okra. Alright, so on the cutting board we have here simple ingredients, all of them are signature to making some authentic steamed fish and crackers. Alright, so in the kitchen we have here some okra, yes, we have some fresh thyme, we have scallion or green onion, carrot, we have piece of pumpkin, so it's nice and pretty, we have a tomato, onion, garlic, and you know, Irish potato. So guys, we're gonna chop these. We soon come. Wash and clean. So with my carrot now guys, I don't like scrape them off. What I like to do is just use the Scotch Brite and rub them off. You don't have to waste the carrot. So that's what I did with the carrots. Yes guys, so our board is colorfully decorated. We have carrots, okra, pumpkin, big man here, so scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, thyme, green onions or scallion, we have onion, tomato, Irish potato. Yes guys, so make we seal this shit now. So we have 2 fish right there, cool. So now we already washed the fish with vinegar and lime juice to minimize the rawness from the fish. See, 2 nice size. Alright, so what we are gonna do, we just are gonna put 2 mark here and there on the fish. And this now, so we are going to add some salt. It is best to use your hands, guys, when you're going to apply the season to the fish, but be careful of the bones though. If you don't want to touch the fish, what you can do is to just put on a gloves, but the gloves, the fish bone and the fish fin might bore the gloves, so be mindful of that. Next, me I go in with some blended season. See? So me have some blended season, some scotch bonnet pepper and some blend up. Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento, scallion, garlic, and you name it. So we're just going to apply side. So here is where it's gonna get a little bit fun. So get that in. Season this marinade. Yes guys, I eat anything. So we season them up. Looking lovely. Alright. Alright guys, so now the pot hot. Just have a drop water and allow it to melt. We have the tough crackers right there, so I think we forget the tough crackers. So we have the thing them a go on here, so our tough crackers sit down over this and I go and wait while the butter go and melt. So now go on too bad. Nice Saturday evening, Not at all. this, guys. And you want to save the pepper to last, so you're not add it yet. But what me are going to do, guys, is go ahead and add a little bit more oil so you can cook them properly. So you want to ensure that you cook the vegetables first before you add in the fish, because as you realize, you have carrots, pumpkin, and the Irish, which is going to, even though they are easy to cook, it's gonna take a little while before they are. So you just want to make them warm. Cook ahead before you add in the fish. Guys, if you could only smell that nice aroma coming from the pot. Very lovely. Jamaican cock soup mix. Yes, so we don't want the noodles, you know, guys. So we're going to sieve it. We only want the flavor from the cock soup. But don't add a lot because this thing is very salty, and remember you season the fish as well, so you have to take in consideration the amount of salt that you add. And then we're going to add some water. To allow the vegetables to cook properly. So we're not going to cook them straight through. We're going to allow it to be half done, so that when we add the fish, it's not too soft and soggy, right? So cover. So you allow the vegetables to steam for about 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add fish. We still make way feed. Scotch bonnet pepper now. just like a pour couple oil in it so we can get that flavor there. We don't want it too spicy because the blended season already have some blend up starch on it. So we are going to now cover the pot and put it on your lowest temperature or your lowest flame and allow the fish to guys. So I'm just going to take some of the juice and pour on it. Yeah guys, I eat that. Then we can drop in my crackers. Let me taste them. Big boy, and see. Ready? So I'm just going to go ahead and add excess cooked crackers. Just like that. Juice, get some of that sauce there, and you just distribute it over the biscuits. There you go. If you want to immerse them, you can, you know, but I like my biscuit them soft and saggy, but it depends on your choice, guys. So I'll cover back the pot and allow it to steam. team. So guys, this is a complete meal. All you need is some juice, lemonade, or whatever drink you want to have with this. You're good. You have a vegetable, you have a tough crackers right there, so, and your fish, you don't want nothing more. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up and just go and stay and wait till we serve your plate and make you see what I go on for the final product. Look at that, guys. We have a lot of juice, a lot of sauce. Me ready, guys. My hungry, me ready. So I hope you guys and crackers with okra. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. And my hope on a motor run water. This, yeah, and that I boom by later. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye bye. Saggy. And a biscuit now. A biscuit now, saggy. Can still taste it, I have to taste biscuit now, saggy. Alright, open the hook. The Scotch bonnet pepper kicking at this. How the vegetables? Alright, then saggy. And just perfect, right? Well cooked. Alright, biscuit them. Something like my biscuit them. Alright then. Half of some juice down. And salt in. And the salt none of this. Moderate. And a little salt. I could have even add the taste of salt in there. It's like the seasoning we use, the Maggi capsule. Because we look at that seasoning we add 3 times. Blended seasoning. Okay. Alright. Never need to go all out on the seasoning. Fish well seasoned up and thing. Cool, alright. The biscuit are going. Man. Things like that. Peace out, guys.